Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to do a review of my chicken platter that I got from Sheetz. Let's try tater tot out first. It has good flavor. Not really crispy though. I mean, it's a little crispy, but it'd be nice if it was crispier though. Try with some ranch here. Let's give this chicken a try now. Damn good chicken. Get another piece here. Wow, this is some of the best chicken I've ever had from Sheetz. I've had their strips before, but this is even better. Try it with some ranch here. It's real crispy. That has excellent flavor. See, tater tots ain't real crispy though, like the chicken. I'm gonna give the tater tots a 7 out of 10 just because, you know, that flavor is good. They just need to be a lot more crispier though, I think. Chicken's great. I haven't found a piece of fat in it yet. Chicken definitely gets a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it, guys. But alright, hope you enjoyed the review. Take care.